folks, Chef Kazi here, and let me show you what I got today. I got some US Prime Striploin tissue box ready, so I'm going to trim it and I'm going to show you how I do that. Okay, so here you go. I got 10 pieces, but I'm going to trim these 5 pieces. Nice. USDA Prime is from Creaky Stone, okay, Midwest US. Here is 3 more. So I can wipe all the blood. £12 each. This, whatever is costing us after trimming, I got 42% waste. But I use some of the meat and I make as a ground beef for the stuffed meal. You see, I put one towel in the bottom, so the cutting board is not going to slip. Right? Okay. Here we go. Ready? Let's go. First, I take we don't serve the chain, so we can take the chain off. You can use the boning knife if you like. I have it here. I'm going to show you only one. This is the chain meat. You see, this piece I can grind it and I make ground beef. Perfect for to fade stuff. No good. Okay, now this is no good. It cannot digest. this place, this restaurant, this kitchen, we have it, we trim the all fats. This is expensive meat, and we give customer whatever they ask for. So this is no good. So folks, as you see, this is the beautiful striploin. Look at this. Nice marble here. Wow, beautiful. So that's how I'm going to clean another 4. They will have 8-ounce New York steak. Okay, my friend, here I did it, all 5 of them. The night guys, the great guy, he the portion so he can straight up the steak and everything. Okay, so I don't have to worry about that. So you see how I do my steaks, how we clean our steaks here, Striploin. If you like this video, please subscribe it. If you didn't subscribe yet, hit the bell button, press the like button, share this video, and I'll see you in the next video again. Okay, take care, bye.